So the next step we're going to do is to use this Twitter account to inspire all the Twitter from this account. So what we should to do, first I will give you a link to use it. So the first step is to go to this link. Let's go back. Let's delete this. So go to divtwitter.com/apps. I will give you this link to go directly, or I'll only go to apps.twitter.com. So in this website of Twitter, we should create a Twitter apps. We need a Twitter apps to create the RSS feed of the Twitter account. So click in the create new app. This is the name of the application. You can put any name you want, for example RSS for Udemy, for example. In the description you can put any description you want, for example RSS feed. I don't care. Here you can put any website you want, any website to use it. For example, let's use our website, how to be. It's not important this website, but here in the callback URL we need to use a specific link, callback URL. Copy it, paste it. So this link I will get you in the other links. So this is the most important in all this application. This is the most important, should respect this link. So then we agree to this. Yes, I agree, and create your Twitter application. Raw file, not a valid URL format. So this is a URL. We need to create HTTP. Then back, yes, create your Twitter application. Description is too short, minimum 10 characters, so we need another code of Twitter, for example. This is good to see this error to know the solution, because sometimes you get an error and you don't know what to do. It's very simple. So create and again, and your application has been created. Please take a moment to review and adjust your application setting. So after creating the application, we were going to Google, or maybe a Google application, to create the RSS feed. So to create the RSS feed, I need to go to this link. I will give you it too. So paste and go. When going to this link, it will automatically create a new copy of the application to link it with your account, Gmail account. So this is why we need a Gmail account. This application will work only with the Gmail account. It's a Google application. It's script.google. That means a Google script. So in this application, like you see, don't change anything. Only we need a costume key. So when we get this your Twitter costume case, so we back to the application and we go into key and access tracking, and this is your costume key, API key. We need to copy it and back to the Google application, paste it here between the double right here with the double quotation mark, and we need your Twitter consumer secret. So you back to the application. This is the consumer secret, API secret. Copy it again and go to application and paste it. Past. So after putting this double case, you need to first thing go to this fichier. It's in French, sometime will be in English. It's in relation about Google. So to go to this manager the version, it's a manager of the version. Click it. It asks you to create a new copy, new version. Click just only register a new version. So click OK. Then go to publish and deploy as application, a web application. Choose the first. Then the most important is here. You need to choose anonym and even anonym account, anonymous utilisateur, the third choice. So choose the third choice and click deploy. Okay. So the last step is to run the application. So click in run. It will be here run sometimes, and start. He will ask you to authorization keys. This application needs authorization to run, so click continue. He asks you to authorize your Google account to use the application. I click accept. I accept. Then he will ask you again about a second authorization. Click authorize, and he will going to ask you to authorize the application of Twitter to start working. So I click authorize app. So he come back to first web. So after this step, they will automatically send a link to your Gmail account. So we're back into our Gmail. Like you see here is a new message. Just send it. So click in Twitter RSS feed. Like you see, this is a Twitter RSS feed. So this link give you the Twitter timeline of user. This is a Lebanon, the person who created the script. This is the Twitter favorite of the user of Lebanon. This is the Twitter list of Lebanon and the Twitter search for New York. This is to get a Twitter RSS feed of searching about New York. But we only need the Twitter timeline. So this is the length of the time. What we need, we copy it. So we paste it in our blocknote here and delete the username Lebanon. This is the person who created the script. So this is the link of the Twitter feed with the username right here. Thank you.